we've actually been on a roll since the third quarter of this fiscal, and we're carrying the momentum into this current fourth quarter. And we've given ourselves internally stiff targets to do even better than what we've been doing in the fourth quarter, which normally is a good quarter for us.
I want to understand from you, how does the whole EV drive set into your future plans? Because you're, of course, going into e-scooters, e-mobikes. That's something that's on the anvil. You're doing research, getting into R&D within that space. But give us the outlook here. How EV ready is India?
Okay, we at Hero have a three-pronged strategy currently. We invested into a startup in Bangalore a couple of years back, Aether Energy, which is already in production and selling its scooters, doing very well. Both the founders are really very diligently following their dreams and their vision. At Hero MotoCorp, in our R&D setup at Jaipur, the CIT, there is a lot of work going on behind electric motorcycles and scooters. And the third track is our own internal startup, Hero Hatch, where we have one of the teams working on a hybrid type of product, which is a two-wheeler come a three-wheeler, very utility type of product where during one day you could use it as a two-wheeler and then you could also use it as a three-wheeler. So on all three tracks, a lot of work going on, a lot of battery management and battery tech work going on in our R&Ds together with our partners, technology partners. And then we're also very seriously working on the infrastructure to be set up around not just India. Of course, we are going to go global with our electric products.
And that's interesting to hear. I still want to understand, the demand outlook that you can share with us for the Indian market. So yes, bread and butter business is doing well with your bikes is selling like hotcakes. But, this tie-up with Harley-Davidson comes at a time when Tesla is talking India. So what is the outlook that you can share for a demand for premium motorbikes at a time when the demand for EVs is hotting up as well? And if Tesla takes off in India, then that could be serious competition, wouldn't it?
Well, there has been a move towards premium motorcycles in the country now for a few years. We at Hero have a small market share currently, but in these recent few years, a lot of new product launches from Hero have come in the premium segment. And going forward too, a lot of focus on premiumization of our entire range, both that as well as in scooters, where both segments we have small market share, but we have big targets for ourselves. Yes, while electrification is going on, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to be a process. It's going to take time for this nation to really go electric. Huge nation, huge population, a lot of infrastructure has to be set up, the charging infrastructure and a whole lot of other stuff. Tesla is a very welcome step. It will give a big boost to electrification in the country. And all of us are electric ready. Some have already introduced, and many of us are working on our products.